speak into my life. I am a living sacrifice. Your word says, live and not die. Oh Lord, speak into my life. Do I have witnesses? Can you lift your voice? Say, oh Lord, speak into my life. If this song is for you, can you declare it? I am a living sacrifice. 'Cause your word says to me, it says live and not die. Oh Lord, speak into my life. One more time, can you declare, oh Lord, speak into my life. Oh Lord, speak into my life. For I am a living sacrifice. Listen. One word, I'm leaving this moment by a word. Not just any word, but a word from you, Lord. Yeah. A word that says I'm healed, delivered and set free. Oh, there's no more chains holding me. Yes. I could have been alone, standing on the rocky road. Oh, if I set my eyes on the problem, I would have surely failed. Oh, but I hear voices, whose report do you believe? I say, oh Lord, one word's all I need. Can you lift your hands and your voice? Say, oh Lord, speak into my life. For I am a living sacrifice. I am a living sacrifice. Your word came to me in my depression. Your word came to me in my confusion. It says, leave and not die. Come on, lift your voice, declare it, declare it. Say, oh Lord, speak to me. Speak into my life. For I am your living sacrifice. So when you speak, I am you, Lord. Your word says leave. That word is for somebody here today. It says leave and not die. Oh Lord, speak into my life. All we need is just one word from the Lord. So can you declare, say one word. Just one word. Just one word. One word is all I need. Hey, can you declare, say one word. In today's service, one word. In today's service, one word. One word is all I need. Can you say to him, say one word. Holy Ghost and ask the Lord for one word into this service. As you're seated, just ask Him, Lord, one word. One word can turn your destiny around. One word from God can turn your destiny. It's when you hear that you can go. It is when you hear that you can do. It is when you hear that you gain clarity. Your path is ordered. Come on, pray in the Holy Ghost. Hey! Yes, Lord. I will go where the sound is sounding. I will move where the sound is sounding. Hey! I will follow the sound of alignment, because I've heard you, Lord. Oh, Radababa Kosadagabaya. Can you raise the sound? Say, I will go.
I will go.
Where the sound is sounding.
The sound is sounding.
Say, I will move, because I've heard you.
I will move.
Where the sound is sounding.
The sound is sounding.
And I will follow with all my life. I will follow with all my heart. I will follow with my life. Oh,
Let the sound
let the sound sound.
sound of my life.
Jesus, I will go.
I will go.
I will go where the sound
The
is.
sound is sounding.
I will move
I will move.
where the sound is
The
sounding.
sound is sounding.
I will follow. Sound of alignment.
Sound of alignment.
Let the bells and let the sound sound. Let the sound.
Sound
Eradabakosatelamai.
of alignment.
I will go
I will go.
where the sound is
The
sounding.
sound is sounding.
I will move.
I will move where the sound is sounding.
I will follow, yeah, yeah.
I will follow sound of alignment.
Let the sound sound.
Let the sound sound of
Hey,
alignment.
I will go.
I will go
Where the sound
where
is
the sound is
sound.
sounding.
I will move.
I will move
Hey, where the sound is sounding. I will follow, yeah.
I will follow
Sound of alignment. Let the sound sound.
Let the sound of alignment.
Let the sound sound. Sound of alignment. Oh yeah, let the bell ring. Bell of alignment. Let the sound sound.